everyone, and today we're making a lava lamp. So what we'll need to make one is bicarbonate soda. We'll need some food colouring and vinegar. We'll need some sunflower oil and vegetable oil. And first of all, we put in the bicarbonate soda.
It might be too much, but it's fine.
Noodles.
Yeah, overflow. Do garlic.
Don't worry.
2, 1 more. What's next? Lils, put the oil in. You might have to help her. So
How many?
just fill it up to there.
There.
More.
There.
More.
There.
More.
Huh?
There. Perfect. Now you're going to have to help her because the bottle's no, Lils, you've got to pour it in. It's quite heavy.
Cream it. Ready?
To help, or you pour it in and then maybe let Lils do the vinegar a bit. Scarlett, look where are you going with glass, bub? Hold the glass, Lils.
Hold the glass, Mummy.
Go. Go on. Stop. What are you not to do?
We're not to stir it.
Okay. Right, give that a mix, the food colouring and the vinegar.
I'm
The back of the
putting in
spoon.
vinegar.
In the
Just give it
the
a
back
minute.
of, no, the other way, Scarlett, the other way, the back of the spoon. The bottom of the spoon. No, Lils, it won't fit.
Oh, yeah, this way. We'll spin it. Spin it.
And then let Lillian put it in.
And then we'll put this in, okay?
No, don't put that in, Scarlett.
Okay. No!
Pour it all in.
Yes.
It's alright, don't worry, keep pouring. I just didn't like vinegar. Keep going, Lils. There we go. And there goes our lava lamp. Comes up now.